two successor trustees, neither wants to do it because they don't, for whatever reason, they're not going to get paid, can they assign one of the beneficiaries for the appointment to the successor trustee? So when we say trustee, that's the trust. I guess it's based on the rules of trust. What if none of the named people want the job? They all say, no, I can't really be involved with it. What happens?
Well, then, and intestate heir can petition the court for appointment. You're basically seeking instructions from the court on who should be the trustee at that point. It's not uncommon. It does happen where everybody refuses to serve. That's why it's very important in your conversations drafting your trusts to pick wisely. You don't pick a poor trustee. You pick somebody that's more likely than not willing to serve and going to do a good job serving. You don't pick somebody that's a drug addict to be your trustee. You don't pick somebody that's gone through 3 bankruptcies to be your trustee. You pick a trusted person for a reason. So that's a huge part of our conversation in the trust drafting process is who is your trustee. We talk more about who is your trustee than we talk about what you want to happen to your stuff.
I had a family member who once appointed me as a trustee. We had this conversation. And then one day called me and she was concerned and said, well, because I'm the oldest sibling, and for whatever reasons, I was going to be a beneficiary of something. She thought my youngest sister, should be the trustee instead of me. And I thought, that's great. And I'm watching the administration of this thing with the emails, because the documents, and my sister's married and they're very successful, a lot of traveling and lives a great life, just isn't involved with the stuff at all. Meanwhile, I'm watching these emails. Where's the 1099? Where's this form? Where's that form? You have to go to Social Security to get the replacement 1099 form. It's a lot of detail. It's a real job. And that's why the statute allows people to get paid as the administrator of a probate, subject to approval, right? It's a job. It's not volunteer work.
Yeah, if you're administering an estate as administrator in probate, not a trust administration, but in probate, your statutory compensation is the same as the attorneys. You get the same percentage as the attorney, which can be very profitable, especially if you have a competent attorney who does all the work for you, which I tend to do. I don't trust any. If I don't do the work, I don't trust it was done properly. So I'm very much a control freak in that regard. So.